What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check a potential delivery date on a Temu. So if you're on Temu and you want to buy a product, it doesn't matter what. Let me scroll down on this page and just choose something. So let's say I choose, let's choose this as an example, right? So let's say I want this. Once you click on a product, you will scroll down, guys, and you will be able to see the potential delivery date. And if you look here right underneath where it says free shipping for this item, it says fastest delivery date within 5 days. So you can see where it's actually showing when it will have the potential delivery date. And that could be anything, right? So I'm going to click on something. So let's choose for a phone, for example. I don't know what this is, but let's choose this. Let's choose this product as well. We scroll down again and you will see it says, okay, standard, said free shipping from this seller, and it says standard free, and it says fast delivery 3 to 6 days. So you can quickly go ahead and see those potential delivery dates for products in Temu. So that's how you can quickly go ahead and check it, guys. Very easy and very simple.